On this episode,
A little IMC.
a little food,
Ugly airplanes.
a little more food.
Beautiful airplanes.
Did I mention food?
All right, where are we going?
KJKA.
The AOPA Regional Fly-In at Jack Edwards in Gulf Shores. We're leaving our home base at about 11:15. We'd filed out of here for 11, so we were okay on that. It looks like about 23.
Little spot of sunshine.
Oh yeah, hopefully we'll be on top here in a few minutes.
Gloomy here.
Gloomy down here, probably a little gloomy down there. We went to the AOPA Fly-In last year in Norman, Oklahoma. Had a really good time, enjoyed it, so we thought this one's only an hour and 15, 20 minutes away from us. We'd give it a try. So sit back, relax, and hit that subscribe button, too. Thank you. We're on the roll. Yeah, Williams-Raymond traffic, RV2724 Golf, departing runway 30, John Bell Williams-Raymond. Jackson approach, November 2724 Golf, off Raymond. Like to pick up our IFR to Jack Edwards.
November 2724 Golf, Jackson approach, are you able to maintain your obstruction clearance?
That's affirmative. We're good right now.
Squawk 0777.
0777.
And November 2724 Golf, radar contact 1 mile southeast Raymond, Jackson altimeter 29086, clear to Jack Edwards Airport is filed, maintain 7000.
Okay, cleared as file, 29086, we'll climb and maintain 7000, 24 Golf, thank you.
24 Golf, readback correct to altitude leaving.
We're through 1,600. And approach November 2724 Golf, tops are 4,600.
Roger, thank you.
Nothing prettier, especially when you leave a gloomy day down there. 45 degrees up there.
Yeah, I know. Cool.
Yeah.
I was watching it a little coming up. There was no report of icing, but I was still watching it a little bit coming up.
And number 2724 Golf, contact Pensacola approach 118.6.
118.6 to Pensacola, 24 Golf.
Number 2724 Golf, Pensacola.
Yep, on now, descending through 5,800.
Number 24 Golf, verify you got the AWAS at Gulf Shores, descend to maintain 3,000.
Okay, we're descend to maintain 3,000, and we do have the weather at Gulf Shore.
Number 24 Golf, roger, vectors for the RNAV, runway 27 approach, fly heading 13, cushion, make it 140.
140 for the RNAV 27, 24 Golf. All right, 3,000, boom. And we got to go procedure, RNAV 27, enter, vectors, activate approach, and we're going to fly heading bug 140.
Nose up.
Okay.
Number 2724 Golf, contact Pensacola approach on 120.65.
120.65 Pensacola, 24 Golf. 120.65. Pensacola approach, November 2724 Golf, descending through 4,100 for 3,000.
Number 2724 Golf, got you loud and clear.
All right, we're locked in at 3,000. We'll hold it here.
Number 24 Golf, turn right, heading 180.
180, 24 Golf. 2,500 feet should be able to let us down a little bit more.
Number 24 Golf, is going to maintain 1,600.
Okay, 1,600 from 3,000.
Number 24 Golf, you get it inside Jack Edwards 2 o'clock and 10 miles.
So we got airport in sight. We'll cancel with you now.
Number 24 Golf, roger sir, cancellation of IFR is received. Contact Airboss 119.42.
119.42, 24 Golf. And Airboss, November 2724 Golf. We're about 10 miles to the east, straight in on 27 from IFR.
So 2724 Golf, I believe it is, roger. Expect runway 27 will be a Barron departure for your arrival.
That's affirmative.
Number 24 Golf, how far out are you?
We're 7.8 miles.
Yeah, I got to run a couple of gyros ahead of you, so report a 3-mile final. Number 24 Golf, say your type.
RV9A.
Phenom, roger that. These gyros are on a mile final doing like auto gyrations. I'll keep you advised.
That's affirmative. I'm down to about 78 knots.
Altitude.
Very well. It's looking good so far. It's always looking good. Number 2, Fort Goffey coming to the fly-in.
That's affirmative.
If you want, you can land long. Land long is like 6,000 plus feet available, and you can plan your turn off on runway 17.
Turn off on 17 after landing long. We're coming over the Ferris wheel out here.
You are in sight, number 1, clear to land. All gyros will follow you. Winds are 280 at 19, gusts of 24.
Yep, roger that. Clear to land.
To the RV on the runway, you continue all the way down to 17. Turn left on 17, and then a side step to the parallel on the right side. Charlie, and look for the flagman. Welcome to the fly-in.
Thank you for your help.
My God, we needed to drop breadcrumbs to get all the way to
Yeah.
here.
That's good stuff.
They did good, though.
Alright, here we are Friday afternoon at 2 o'clock.
Just parked. We got our rental car. We've been to the hotel. We checked in, and now we're back to the show.
We have our happy hats on.
As long as they stay on our heads, they're doing good. Mine keeps blow off my head.
Cirrus Jet. You see yourself in that, huh?
Oh yeah, in a heartbeat. Where are you taking me?
Well, the bar set up at 3:30.
Over here?
Yeah, Phenom 100. That would be a good one.
Yes.
We could fly that to all the AOPA fly-ins all the way across the country, huh?
And like Brewer had said, if we had only chosen the right numbers and moved to South Carolina, we probably could have.
$1 billion.
Fun to look.
All right, Beth checking out the Phenom.
Down here for fall break. Are you really? Yeah.
Once you sit in
Oh,
the
yeah.
seats, you just may
Yeah.
want to get out.
Perfect.
Coming back to try one of our old favorite spots, Louisiana Lagniappe. Soft shell crab and the lagniappe, seafood lagniappe.
Lobster and
Perfect. We can't eat it all. It's just too good. It was very good. As good as we remembered it being. Weighs 21 pounds. Cost $800. Getting ready to go eat at LuLu's in a few minutes with some friends from home. Yeah, it's nothing about eating. This is less about flying and more about eating today.
Eat her away from yourself.
We have.
There you go. I'm a very famous person in the movie.
Uh-oh.
25th anniversary. This year.
25th anniversary. Halloween?
Hocus Pocus.
Hocus Pocus.
Yeah, that's right.
Everybody smile. That's my name, man. Thank you. You know we got cat people here.
Yeah, beautiful tortoiseshell.
Cobalt. Yeah, Cobalt. Nice looking place. Good dinner at Cobalt. Mississippi State won.
Yay!
Good bottle of
Whatever.
Pinot Noir.
Yeah, it was a good meal.
Good night tonight.
Excellent food. We enjoyed this place. The only thing they told us about it was that it was loud, and yes, it's
It's a little loud.
It's a lot of fun. It's very open place.
We'll head back home in the RV tomorrow. All right, we're departing Jack Edwards on Sunday morning.
Let's see if we can roll now. Nice sandy soil, that's great.
Yeah. Put in fog.
It's quiet around here this morning. It was a very good show. Just a nice little regional, not anything big. We didn't have any, big flyovers or anything like that, but a lot of equipment was here to look at.
Met some nice new people.
Met some nice new people, got to eat good lunch,
With some old people.
Yep.
Old friends.
kind of more of a foodie weekend for us than anything, so.
It was. I don't want to see the scales tomorrow. But
That would just be cool.
sure good getting there, though. Some really good food.
Jack Edwards, RV24 Golf, is taxiing to runway 9, making the turn from Charlie to Alpha. And Jack Edwards, RV2724 Golf, will be departing runway 9 once the gyro's cleared. And RV24 Golf rolling on runway 9 for a departure back to the northwest. Alright, everything looks clear there. Airspeed's alive. Birds are dead.
That's not a bird. Butterfly.
Flaps are up.
Full stop.
They're up and the water is pouring out.
Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna fly over the bay.
Okay.
That would be known as the Lagoon, Dolphin Island over there. Mobile approach, November 2724 Golf.
2724 Golf, mobile.
Yeah, we're over Dolphin Island. We'd like to get VFR flight following up to Raymond, Mississippi. That would be Juliet Victor Whiskey. We're an RV9A slant golf. We're going to go to 6,500.
November 2724 Golf, Roger, stroke 0356.
0356, 24 Golf.
That was her room number.
Oh God, it was, wasn't it? Isn't that weird?
Oh, wow, that's weird.
24 Golf, that traffic's going to be no factor, passing off behind you. Radio service terminated, squawk VFR, change advice, please approve. There's no traffic, there's over 20 at this time between you and Raymond Airport.
Okay, we'll go squawk VFR. Thanks for your help. 24 Golf. Williams, Raymond, RV2724 Golf, 8 miles to the southeast, inbound, straight in, runway 30, Williams, Raymond traffic, RV24 Golf. 2 mile final, Williams, Raymond traffic. Raymond Williams, RV24 Golf, short final, Williams, Raymond traffic. Alright, there we are.
73 degrees.
73 degrees. Beautiful day in Mississippi. And a great trip down to the AOPA Fly-In.
Lots of good food and fun.
Hopefully we'll have another video out in the next few weeks. And if you would, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave us a comment.
See you next time.